Instagram note feature, how to get. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's video, I will simply show you how you can get the Instagram notes feature, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, if you're aware of it, Instagram has officially and globally released the Instagram notes feature for all users across the globe. And in order to access that, you will have to open Instagram, go to the DMs page from the top right hand side of the screen, and here you'll be able to find all of the notes that other people has actually added. You can also add your own. It is similar to stories, but it is just in a text format. And if you're not being able to find the Instagram notes feature, there are a couple of reasons for that. The very first thing you want to make sure is that your active status is turned on. Turning off active status is going to disable some of the features. So come to your profile page, tap on the three lines as I did, and then go to settings, go to privacy, and then here just go to the option called activity status. You want to make sure you have turned both of these toggles on, and once you've made sure of that, what you want to do is you just want to go over and then open up your respective app store. So if you're on Android, open your Google Play Store. If you're on iOS, open up your Apple App Store, and in the search box you just want to type in Instagram. As I said, the Instagram app is an updated version, so you have to simply make sure to update the Instagram app to the latest version, because the notes is also a new feature, and in order to get that feature you always want to ensure you are using the latest version. So if you see an update button there, I just repeat again, make sure to update it to the latest version. And if none of these things are working for you, and if you're still not being able to find the notes feature, it most likely means that the Instagram notes feature has still not been available in your region. Try to use some other people's devices and see if they has the Instagram notes feature with many people across yours as well. And if they don't have, then it most likely means that you would also need to install a VPN, which is a virtual private network. Re-download Instagram after going ahead and then deleting it, and then reopen it, and most likely that would solve your problem. That's all it takes to get the Instagram notes feature. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.